Good morning, Charlie here with Red Summit RF. I'm on the top of Bill Williams Mountain, and it is freaking cold up here. I'm freezing my butt off. So,
Charlie, what are you talking about? It's not that cold. I'll get back to it.
okay, so maybe it isn't that cold. Anyway, I'm on top of Bill Williams Mountain. Today I have a couple of CW keys that I'm going to try out. I've been using them on my home station, and they work out great. They're from HamRadio.Solutions, or it's HamRadio.Solutions. We're going to see how they work out here in the field portable coming up. All right, I'm on summit and pretty much set up here. The sun's out, but it's still snowing and pretty cold. So we'll see how it goes here. Let me break out these keys and I'll go over them for a minute and then we'll get going. Okay, so these two keys here are going to be made available soon on the HamRadio.Solutions website, which is really the V-band website. So V-band, check V-band, the V-band website, and these two paddles and maybe more will be available coming up soon. They're not there right now, but relatively soon they'll be made available. I'm going to start with this one. This is a 1.0, and we'll see how that one does. And then we'll do this 1.2. It's a little smaller, and we'll see how that one does. Both of them are obviously made from just circuit board that are punched out and soldered together. So let's go with this then. CQ, 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 CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, NJ7V calling CQ for Summits on the Air.
Whiskey 5, Oscar Delta Sierra.
Whiskey 5, Oscar Delta Sierra, you are 5'9".
QSL 5'9", you're about a 5'6" in Oklahoma. It's kind of hard to find a clear frequency, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but thank you for coming back to me. I appreciate it. Thanks for Oklahoma. 73 to you.
73.
CQ, 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 CQ SOTA, CQ SOTA, NJ7V. I'm gonna call it good. All right, so to wrap it up here, had a great time here. Got some people on 18 megahertz and also on 14 megahertz, so that's good. I don't know, probably 20 contacts. It's always less contacts when you have a joint activation. Those paddles are pretty slick though, huh? I really enjoy them. They work great from home too, and just kind of great to have several different paddles in your arsenal in order to do different things, you know. And there's a great kit, so if when they come available, I'll have more information. I'll probably build the kit through my channel and for the paddles and show you guys all about it. With that, I will say 73 to you guys. Thank you for joining me, and hope you enjoyed this activation. If you have questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments, and I'll have more information in the comments as well. So remember that you can watch more videos like this over here and subscribe right up here. So 73 to you.